Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on a mission to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair without breaking the bank. We're diving into budget-friendly hair masks and deep conditioning treatments that promise to repair and revive even the most damaged hair. Get ready for some serious hair transformations, all for under $15. Heat styling, coloring, even just the environment can take a toll on our delicate strands. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I've rounded up some of the best drugstore hair masks that truly deliver on their promises. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. First up, we have the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. Packed with papaya extract, this mask is like a tropical vacation for your hair. Papaya is known for its incredible ability to nourish and repair damaged hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth and healthy. Just apply it to wet hair after shampooing. Leave it on for 60 seconds and rinse. You'll be amazed at how much softer and more manageable your hair feels after just one use. And the smell? Divine. It has this amazing fruity scent that lingers in your hair. Plus, it's super affordable, so you can indulge in a little hair pampering session without guilt. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. Next, we have a cult classic from L'Oréal Paris, the Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. This little gem is a rich, creamy treatment that's like a tall drink of water for your hair. It targets 5 signs of damaged split ends, weakness, roughness, dehydration, and dullness. One of the things I love most about this balm is how incredibly soft and smooth it makes my hair feel. And the scent, oh my gosh, it's this beautiful, luxurious floral fragrance that lingers long after you've rinsed it out. For under $15, you're getting a salon-quality treatment that delivers real results. If your hair is feeling dry, brittle, or just plain blah, I highly recommend giving this balm a try. Let's talk about luxury on a budget with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate plus Repair Protein Strong Treatment. Infused with the goodness of Manuka honey and yogurt, it smells absolutely divine and feels incredibly nourishing on the hair. Manuka honey attracts and retains moisture, while yogurt is rich in proteins that help to strengthen and repair damaged hair. This combination leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and healthy. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this one. We all know argan oil is like liquid gold for your hair, and the Hask Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner is no exception. Argan oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft to repair and strengthen it from within. It's also known for its ability to tame frizz and add shine, leaving your hair looking and feeling its best. It's a great option for those who are just starting to incorporate hair masks into their routine and want to try something that's both effective and budget-friendly. Last but certainly not least, we have a true drugstore icon, the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. This little miracle worker has been a staple in my hair care routine for years, and for a good reason. It's incredibly affordable, smells amazing, and leaves my hair feeling unbelievably soft and manageable. This deep conditioner is formulated with Australian aloe, jojoba oil, and sea kelp to deeply moisturize and detangle even the driest, most unmanageable hair. Honestly, this deep conditioner is a must-have for anyone with dry, damaged hair. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and discovered some new hair masks to try. Remember, healthy, gorgeous hair doesn't have to break the bank. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments which hair mask you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay gorgeous.